Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product called the ReddBuilder. The ReddBuilder, what is this product ReddBuilder is all about? It's all about if you have a website, you don't worry about how you can write the content because this is a WordPress plugin. When you install this WordPress plugin, they will have your content will be delivered to you automatically generated for you from this store ReddBuilder. ReddBuilder is also similar to us and other social media platform. This also the number 4 most popular website US people will visit this platform. There is also when you have what is this product and you will have the benefit that you will create multiple topics automated site because everything is you will generally take the content from ReddBuilder. You don't have to write anything. There's also you don't worry about how you can avoid your blog post. Everything is content is generated for you, and also you can get traffic from and ReddBuilder. It's also perfect for beginner and no tech skill because you just install the WordPress. No writing content manually and no SEO. Fresh content and free traffic building. Self-growing 嘅 site 個 free 嘅daily 嘅 traffic As also you can see that when you scroll down, there's also you can see how many visitors and will visit your site. Free traffic from ReddBuilder and search engine. There's also the free easy to get started with free traffic from one of the busy and social media platforms as well. WordPress and also the search engine like Google, Bing and much more. Easy affiliate profits and ad revenue. You get to learn affiliate commission from your affiliate links placed inside the content. And the built-in advertising module allow you to profit from banner ads. That is also what you will get inside. What you get is a profitable website and free traffic. WordPress plugin integrated with ReddBuilder for fresh content in content. Auto generating content. Auto posting built-in. They also the affiliate branding, learning and ad revenue. You will add trending content and affiliate links in one click. Easy to follow content and tutorial. Automatic content spinning that also make your content more and unique. You can also to build your list and fresh, fast and reliable support. That's also what you will get. If you have there is also other than if you have a blog and also to struggling how you can create your blog post and also you have there's also you cannot if you are not capable to write for yourself and also the busy for your other business other than to write your blog. Maybe you also to write and hire someone and write your blog post for you. It's also very expensive because yes, normal blogger you have to at least 2 or 3 posts weekly. This also have the consistent proposal, but this is also you have to waste your time and money. This also what you will get. This also to solve the problem for all the bloggers. They will have auto generate traffic from auto generate contact from ReddBuilder. This also you can get traffic from ReddBuilder. ReddBuilder is also the and most number 4 social media platform. That's also the US people that will visit it. So if you are a blogger, if there is something you're interested in how you can generate a free traffic and also to generate content from ReddBuilder. If there is something you're interested in, please stay with me because I also have some more exclusive bonus if you pick up this product through my link. But before I jump into the bonus page, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell. After you watch my video, if you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into my bonus page. Bonus number 1, I will give you the WordPress YouTube video gallery. That's also the responsive YouTube gallery. The pop in to display the YouTube channel on playlist video. Bonus number 2, I will give you another WordPress pop in this Pinterest profile. The best responsive Pinterest pop in from WordPress to show Pinterest with pins. Bonus number 3, I will give you the WordPress post creator. Best responsive WordPress post begin to display the latest post and latest post. Bonus number 4, I will give you another lead builder. This plugin will help you to lead your lead generation effortlessness. It's also to help you to build your email list. Bonus number 5, I will give you a quick ebook creator. That's also the easy way to create an ebook with the WordPress blog. Bonus 6啦，我哋 give you 啦 WordPress 嘅 notification bar 嘅 manager 啦 is also display 嘅 notification 啦 on your website and stay active 啦 engage to your reader 啦 while they are reading your blog post 啦。Bonus 7啦 I will give you 50,000 嘅 visitor 啦 delivered to any website that you want 啦。Bonus 8啦 I will give you a free video training course. This is also how you can get about SEO 嘅 course for beginner 啦 and how you learn how you can rank number 1 for Google 啦 that's also you can get more organic traffic from Google 啦。But if you pick up any upsell, you will get 2 more 嘅 WordPress plugin and 1 premium 嘅 bonus package 啦。WordPress plugin Twitter 嘅 feed responsible 嘅 Twitter feed plugin to display feed 啦 hashtag 啦 user card and collection 啦。And other WordPress promise don't use bouncing 嘅 traffic 啦。With this traffic 啦 WordPress bounce you can turn your bouncing 嘅 traffic into Amazon 嘅 sales 啦。There's also an editor to exit your website. You also have a pop-up. You will have a display your Amazon, and you apply this and you will get a commission from Amazon. My last auto bonus, you will get my premium the bonus package. In also 5 parts, you will get my pro marketing software, one-click generating money making software, get paid to grow your Instagram follower. Website and affiliate marketing training the members free to sign up 2 hours to set up affiliate marketing business with fast in this way to make money online 100 list how you can get 100 maybe also you can get email list and list only $1 a day and you will get a 5 training course and software just for $1 and also all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Explore the countdown timer hit 0 simply click the link below in the description the first link they will come to this bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you click this any 2 button, and when you look at it, also you can go through and in the sales page of a ReddBuilder, and we will scroll down when you get access. This also you can buy this through my link. All my exclusive will be delivered to you inside the Warrior for the countdown timer. This zero. Your bonus will be in the purchase start in detail, and the little blue button. When you click this, you will get all my exclusive bonus. But if you will pick up any upsell and downsell, you will get my free exclusive bonus. So before I also will show you inside the member survey. Before I jump into the member survey, don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment and leave the question in the comment box. So let's jump into the member survey of the ReddBuilder. Inside the ReddBuilder, is also you can come with the training tutorial. It also include 5 training. What you will get and ReddBuilder is how to create a campaign, how to schedule the post on ReddBuilder, how to create a new API campaign, ReddBuilder account setting, how to create a RSS campaign. There's also a 5 video that you can how to do that. There's also when you have a purpose, it's all the ReddBuilder. It's also about you can see the ReddBuilder. First of all, it's about as a setting. There's also you can see the watch video how you can do that. After you setting everything you can ready up. You can have, for example, this also manage your campaign. This also after you create your campaign, your campaign will be displayed on this campaign. And how you can get first of all add your new campaign. Give the name URL webpage. The URL is also the webpage.com and URL is also freebies. Also you can also call it a subreddit and you can select which category. It also include different category. You can also to see affiliate marketing is also a very hot topic. Beauty, business, content marketing, dating is also very hot. And also the fitness, and health and fitness, hobby, also health, weight loss. After that, you can also to the post state. You can also post it at least. You can also to draft, post private and pending. It's also up to you. After you get and save the campaign. After you save the campaign, all the campaign will be show this in the campaign and in the managed campaign. And the next section is news campaign. Just also you can add more. And it's also the form you can add RSS maybe also you can also RSS feed. It's also the news RSS or video. How you can create a new campaign. There's also you can also to create your campaign. It's also you can select news RSS or video. You can also select which one ABC different news you can also to create. And also what is the AR and category. their country you want to country most often is USA your keywords and also and search for API keyword and also advertising post data you want to post on this also apply to RSN or VSL after you create it. This also to have the different resources from news and news API, RSS and video and also the keyword other thing than you the keyword link places there's also a keyword link you will have the different and you will have the different post you will have the and post different you can also to select a word as a keyword for example this avocado and also the URL to redirect on English with anybody that can click on this keyword you will be directed to any offer any affiliate link that you want and then you can also to select the category to add to the post for example affiliate product affiliate marketing you can also select the and post to replace the keyword that is also included you can also to select after then you can save your keyword and then after you save your keyword after you save your keyword that is also everything everybody to use this portal and click on this link click on this keyword will directly to the affiliate link schedule post there's also you can also to create a new schedule post give the name you can also be direct post or schedule your post and also you can select your data for example 21 after you select your data you can also to subreddit the community channel or display name after then you can also to select which the category is all the same It's also that you can have a different category you can also select after that you save this save the profile that is you can also to schedule your post there's also that you can see the schedule post there's also that you can for example it's also to schedule there's also what post you have posted there's also the what post for you finally that's done for you you can select any offer affiliate post and also to publish and this is not after the click on the add done for you button the post will start after the 60 seconds automatic algorithm will execute at least 1 hour if you want to post immediately then you can execute your job manually that's also that you can add the done for you that's also very easy for you to understand how the secret and you can also to when you install this copy on your website is also you can get you can generate organic traffic and generate content from webinar and also you can also get different RSS feed there's also you can RSS news and video you can also generate the content for you it's also very easy for you to understand there's no worry about how you can write your blog post because you will get generate automatic traffic and contact for you so let's go in before let's jump into what the price and upsell as well and so you can also consider there's also for 2 options it's 1 side and 10 side also because you can see the price you might have this also just the price for 10 side because 1 side and 10 side because I might have a different time schedule because it's launched tomorrow 11 August 11 10 a.m. into 2 p.m. This also have an early bird that's also for 10 side $40.95 one side is $30.95 there's also I highly recommend you to grab the 10 side because just for $1 you will get a 10 side you will have installed this grab for 10 side just for $1 that's also the no-brainer this is also the early bird after the certain time you can also to see for your reference and this also when you watch this video and interested in the web builder I highly recommend you to grab it as soon as possible because after the time and go through there's also the price will rise and after the launch this will rise the price to $27 for 10 side. This also I highly recommend if you are interested in it you could grab it as soon as possible when you watch this video and also you come with web 10 side and 10 side both is the feature there's also the complete and automatic money site 100% friendly 100% 嘅 post contact for any niche free organic traffic turn keyword into the contact for the affiliate and line unique contact it will also support about 150 嘅 language work on any theme proven system WordPress software 100% customer level. That's also the I highly recommend you to grab it because you don't worry about how you can create your content ReddBuilder, if you are interested, then grab it as soon as possible ReddBuilder $40 and Friday after the launch we will raise the price to $27 and then the upsell number one Pro $37 is also you can have the Pro maximize your profit this also have unlimited site license this also you can plug into unlimited site just for one-time payment $37 I highly recommend you to grab it and also you can have a create user profile the news website in more than 700 RSS feed auto generate the WordPress post from YouTube and daily model that also have more content and resources commercial writer that's also the very important you can create and sell this site to client on platform of Flipkart this also you can also to make more money After number with a premium $47 that also come with more feature you can create more content from using over 1000 RSS feed source 5 additional premium the WordPress planner and the best part is that you can rebrand and resell this plugin to your customer. That's also you can also to sell this plugin to your customer and you can keep 100% commission. That is also you can make more money if you have this premium. So I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 just for one-time payment. Upsell number 1 is unlimited side. Upsell number 2 you can resell this plugin to the customer. Upsell number 1 is done for you $67. You can set up the 10 website and compete with content. You will add 2 additional premium WordPress and learning and essential plugin. Last upsell white label you can have the 2 version 15 and unlimited account 147 and 297. That's also that you will have a full game you can upload your logo brand custom domain etc. You can rebrand your software you can build your web builder software agent and keep all the profit for the seller. But in my opinion I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1 for $37 you will have an unlimited site. Upsell number 2 premium $47 you will have a rebrand and resell this product plugin to the client and keep 100% commission. And this is also I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 for one-time payment. And also a reminder to you when you are interested in I highly recommend you to grab 10 site for $40 and 95 cents for ReddBuilder because after that you till the end of the launch and you will get the price will go to that and goes up to the $27. So I highly recommend you to grab it as soon as possible. So that is also what you will get inside the members area, and also you can watch the demo video on my bonus page and on my bonus page simply click the link below the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you scroll down you can watch the demo video on my bonus page. And you can also if you pick up the front end you can get my exclusive but I highly recommend you to grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 because you will have unlimited and installer and also the upsell number 2 you will have the plugin you can sell this for the client and keep 100% commission. Other than that you will have any upsell you will get 2 more WordPress and 1 more exclusive premium bonus package for you. So that is also before all my exclusive will be inside the WordPress before the countdown timer PC will is after you purchase the purchase detail you will click the blue button and you will get access to all my exclusive bonus. Thanks for taking time to check out my ReddBuilder review and bonus and ReddBuilder review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And also don't forget to check my description below to grab my 7 freebie you can instantly access. So thanks for don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.